Hello all. This tutorial will introduce the purpose of using Revit for interior design project. Introduction of Revit, a building information model software. Charles River Software originally developed the software in 1997, renamed Revit Technology Corporation in 2000, and acquired by Autodesk in 2002. Autodesk Revit is BIM software for architects, interior designer, landscape architects, structural engineers, MEP engineers, contractors, and more. Revit can be used as a very powerful collaboration tool among different disciplines in the architecture, engineering, and construction (AEC) industry. Revit has a vast library for modeling in the software itself and supports plugins, advanced data management systems, and energy modeling analysis. Revit modeling process is complicated and not easy for a first-time user. Software required better hardware, 40% more expensive than Autodesk CAD but higher productivity. For architects and interior designers, the software is being used to create construction documents. Most of the commercial interior design and architectural design firms use Revit in the US. Not much of the renderings feature but support virtual reality plugins. Revit is useful to collaborate with CAD drawing users. I hope this tutorial clarifies the purpose of using Revit for an interior design project. Thank you.